Thermodynamics is a branch of physical sciences that treats various phenomena of energy and the related properties of matter, especially of the laws of transformation of heat into other forms of energy and vice versa. From the word itself, thermo, and dynamics, it studies the behavior of thermal energy.
So it has something to do with temperature, right?
Yes, I think so.
Yes!
What is temperature exactly?
Temperature is an indication or degree of hotness and coldness, and therefore a measure of intensity of heat.
There are three temperature scales: Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin.
An absolute temperature is a temperature measured from absolute zero. And absolute zero is a temperature at which the molecules stop moving.
The temperature scales used vary from the region you are in.
For example, here in the Philippines, we use Celsius, while in the US, they use Fahrenheit. So there is a relation between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Fahrenheit uses this formula, while Celsius uses the transposed form of this formula, which is... Let's first start with Fahrenheit.
Suppose you are required to convert an object's temperature, which is 30 degrees Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. So we have that degree and Celsius. We utilize the formula of degree Fahrenheit equals 9/5 times the value given in Celsius plus 32. We have the value of 30 for the degree Celsius. We substitute it to the formula, and now we have the value of 120.6. After that, we apply significant figures. Hence, 30 degrees Celsius is equal to 120 degrees Fahrenheit.
Let's move on to Celsius. Let's say that the object has a temperature of 150 Fahrenheit. How do we find the temperature in degrees Celsius? We utilize this formula. Now, we just substitute the value for Fahrenheit. Now we have the value of 65.6. Take into account the number of significant figures. And our answer is 150 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 66 degrees Celsius.
So Kelvin has a very straightforward formula. You just basically add 273 to the value of degrees Celsius. But what if you are required to convert 213 degrees Fahrenheit to Kelvin? We have our mother formula, K is equal to degrees Celsius plus 273.
But where is Fahrenheit in this formula?
Exactly. We first find its value in degrees Celsius. So substitute the value in degrees Fahrenheit. We now have the value of degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, which is 101. So 213 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 101 degrees Celsius. We go back to our mother formula, substitute the value. Therefore, our final answer is 213 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 324 Kelvin.
And that's all for the conversion of the temperature scales.
And this is just an introduction of thermodynamics.
We hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. See you next time.